Hello everyone, today I want to show you, can mock up with water splash. Easy manipulation, watch full video, and subscribe my channel, for more interesting video. Follow the process. Follow the process. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. Go to select and click subject. Now Ctrl J for copy the object. Select the logo and now, go to the clipping mask. Now select the overlay, so look more realistic. Now, go to blinding option. Press Alt to broke the path, and follow the process. Now save this picture. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. Now open this picture and go to select the subject. Now Ctrl J for copy. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been go to blinding option, and go to gradient overlay, and follow the process, for background color. Now, go to ellipse tool and follow the process. Now go to blur, Gaussian blur and follow the process. For fake shadow, can mock up ready. Now make water splash. Paste PNG water picture. Select subject. Press water picture. Dot and go to eraser tool and follow the process. Follow this process. Remove this shadow.
You watch more video like this, please subscribe to my channel.